So I am Dante Cabillan from B Screen 3 Delta. So I am here now to demonstrate how to collect shoe print impression. So this is the material. How the shoe print impression, it is marked made from the shoe surface. So this is the materials they needed: the varnish and the sand and the white cement and the bamboo stick, the water. This is the shoe sample. First is we open the plastic and put into the to make sticky the shoe impression. I put the varnish ice spray. To make the quality, the shoe print impression make smooth.
Because no matter how good you are, no matter what kind of education you are, in the end, you need empathy to care about the people, to care about the well-being. And not only leaders, I believe that everyone in this world needs to have empathy among each other. That's how we can unite. Narinig pa yun ng sabi. Last question, Venezuela. Please come to the name for this question.
So that's it. The next step is we'll mix white cement and a little bit of water. I use the bamboo stick to mix. I add some more water.
Y uniéndonos, dando un mensaje al mundo de respeto, de amor y unión, porque así se construye el mundo. Gracias. My ideal moment today has been sharing with this amazing 120 women.
Mix slowly.
Meeting behind our differences and sending the world a message of respect, love, and unity because that's the way the world is built. Thank you, Mr.
Those are some great answers. Great. Thank you so much. And the good thing,
Mix for a while.
If you could ask all of my delegates one question, what would you ask? I would ask them if they were going to bring home the Miss Universe crown tonight, and were given the opportunity to use a time machine, would they go back and redo their performance? Yes or no? That's a good question. What is your personality like? Oh, I wish I had a super happy the market out on the stage, or maybe you know just me in LA. I mean, the way you really earlier, talking about leadership. I mean, that's what Miss Universe is going to do, is lead her people. So I love that answer. We're going down to the library. One more question.
These are the primary materials of the shoe print impression.
And when I used to go to school, everybody would tell me, like, please don't take time with me, or the parents filed a complaint that we were into with their kids. And honestly, I was a very, like, introvert back then. I had 15 years of struggle in my life. Those 15 years were not easy to live. I wanted to cover everyone, any question, but I say that self-confidence comes from the exercise every day. This is my faith, and this is my confidence. Here I am, and I love myself the way I am.
So the white cement is already mixed. So we put, next step is we put the shoe print impression.
And when I used to go to school, everybody would tell me, like, please don't take hands with me, or the parents file a complaint that they don't want to do school with their kids. And honestly, I was a very, like, introvert back then. I had 15 years of struggle in my life. Those 15 years were not easy to live. I wanted to cover everyone, any question, but I say that self-confidence is something that can decide every day. This is my faith, and this is my condition. Here I am, and I love myself the way I am. These are the best. I don't even have to touch them. And I love how they're very stylish. Try second slipping.
Yay!
Good. Good. Good.
Ano, sino mo nag-isa? Ano, video ko? Hindi ka naman, oy. Pangit man to pa.
Download the Vegas Plus app or play at our website at vegasplus.com.
Vitamin Boost Conditioner. Packs 10 times more vitamins for up to 10 times greater hair that gets more beautiful every day. Never 30% more.
Dapat pwede po po. Ang ganay mo lang ang oras.
Takol kasi yung kuhan, shoe, sapatos, bat.
Pwede ba natin lang ito? Ano video pa? Ano video? Pula itong quality, pula ang langit. Nagpuputi ito.
So we'll wait the shoe impression make harder. So we'll wait 1 to 2 hours. So we'll back later.
24 hours.
So after 24 hours, the shoe print impression make harder. So this is the final outcome of the shoe print impression. So the next step is this is the sample of shoe. And wash this water gently. So the next step is by the use of toothbrush. So this is the result. This is the original shoe print. This is the pattern. As the shoe, this is the final outcome of the shoe print impression. The single digit of the pattern of the shoe and the size clearly seen in this shoe print impression. And the top is smooth. See, and this is the final outcome of the shoe print impression. Thank you.